Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CJdropshipping for automated fulfillment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the CJdropshipping website. On the home page, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. Fill out the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. After registration, check your email for a verification link from CJdropshipping. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the CJdropshipping homepage. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. To set up automated fulfillment, navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings section, find and click on Fulfillment. Here, you can connect your online store by selecting the appropriate platform. Enter your store credentials as prompted. Once connected, ensure that you configure your shipping settings according to your preferences. Check the fulfillment settings to enable automated order processing. You can now start importing products from CJdropshipping to your online store. Select products you want to sell and click on the Import button. Make sure to adjust pricing and inventory settings as needed. Your products will now be synced with your store for automatic fulfillment. Regularly monitor your dashboard for updates on your orders. This will help you manage your business efficiently. You're now set up for automated fulfillment with CJdropshipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.